Samsung has officially rolled out the One UI 8.5 Beta 5 update for the Galaxy S25 Ultra and other eligible Samsung devices enrolled in the One UI 8.5 beta program. This latest beta build is based on Android 16 and brings system optimizations along with an updated version of Bixby. In this video, I'll show you how to check for the One UI 8.5 Beta 5 update on your Samsung Galaxy phone and install it safely. To check for the update, just open the app drawer and tap Settings app, scroll down and tap Software Update, then tap Check for Updates. You can see version One UI 8.5 ZZAN. The update size is about 553 megabytes and is currently rolling out to users who are already running One UI 8.5 Beta 4 or earlier beta versions. Now, download and install it on your device. This Samsung One UI 8.5 Beta 5 fixed only bugs related to the Bixby version update on your Samsung phone. Make sure to subscribe for more Samsung One UI updates, Galaxy tips, and Android beta news.